Mushtaq, and I am here in my studio, the Reflection Room, in which I am going to review a TED Talk by Dale Lane. And before going toward review, I want to introduce myself to you. So let's share my slides with you to talk clearly about these things. My name is Iram Mushtaq, and I'm an educator. Along with teaching, I host the podcast show Sitare Iram ke Saath, Conversation with Stars and Wisdom. And my second show is my studio, that is the Reflection Room, is a thoughtful space where I share reviews, insights, and wisdoms, helping you learn, reflect, and grow. So stay connected with me for more insights, reviews, and meaningful conversation. Let's keep learning, reflecting, and growing together. My social media handles are in front of you. I am available on Facebook with the name Ira Mushtaq Education Wali, and my Instagram profile name is also Ira Mushtaq Education Wali. My LinkedIn profile name is also Iram Mushtaq Education Wali, and my YouTube channel name is Iram TV. So you people can like, share, and subscribe my content, and you can give me a comment for encouraging me to create this type of content, and your support help me create this valuable content. So I move forward toward my review on the TED Talk which I saw. The TED Talk, Education in the Age of AI, of Dale Land. This is the YouTube video which I saw, a TED Talk, and I am going to review this video. I break the review in following parts. Number one, introduction and opening. Number two is summary. Number three is the personal reflection. And at the end is the conclusion. So at the end, I will suggest you whether you should watch this TED Talk or you should not watch this TED Talk. Moving forward, before going to review this TED Talk, I want to introduce with you people the TED Talk speaker, Dale Lane. It is a picture of Dale Lane. Biography of the speaker. Dale Lane is a UK-based software architect at IBM Integration, specializing in Afaki Kafka, event streaming, and AI technologies. He works out of the IBM Hursley Research and Development Lab in Hampshire, United Kingdom. Professional journey, early career. Dale studies computer science at university and joined IBM shortly after. Over his tenure, he transitioned from working on messaging system MQ to the company's cutting-edge AI Watson platform around 2011. IBM Watson and developer tools. At Watson, he helped transform IBM's research breakthrough into accessible cloud services for developers. Current role, leads now leads work on Afaki Kafka based services, particularly IBM event streams, and helps enterprises leverage these powerful event driven systems. Creating machine learning for kids. Inspiration, motivated by a desire to explain his work to his own children, Dale created the Machine Learning for Kids platform. It allows children to train ML models, recognizing text, images, numbers, and sound using a kid friendly interface built around Scratch and compatible with App Inverter. Global reach. Launched originally for his kids, the platform quickly gained traction. It's now used in thousands of schools across more than 100 countries with a growing open community enhancing its reach. Creative Commons and Community. The project is open source and teacher friendly. All worksheets are freely available under Creative Commons license and customizable in Word format. Educators worldwide have contributed translations, adaptations, and even new platform integration like Sport for app inverters. So let me again remember you that you can connect with me on Facebook by adding me or following me. My Facebook profile name is Ira Mushtaq Education Wali, and you can connect on Instagram with my profile name is Ira Mushtaq Education Wali, and I am available on LinkedIn. You can send me a connection request or follow my profile name Ira Mushtaq Education Wali. But if you want to watch my content more easily, so you can subscribe my YouTube channel Iram TV, where you can give comment, you can suggest me more things for creating better content for you people. And I want to remember you that your comment, your encouragement help me to create this valuable content, this educational and teaching content that is the need of our society, need of our country, need of our people, instead of the content that is not more suitable or perfect for our children, for our generation. So please support us, the people who are creating the valuable content for our people, for our children, for our nation. So move forward toward our review. He is author and communicator. Author Dale is the author of Machine Learning for Kids, a project-based introduction to artificial intelligence. No, and he is speaker and educator. He is spoken at conferences on AI education and the experiences of teaching AI to children. His passions and interests outside work, he is a father of two and enjoys topics like LOT, gadgets, gaming, coffee, and teaching. It is the biography or short introduction of the TED speakers. Now move toward the summary of the TED Talk of Dale Lane. The TED Talk took place at TEDx Winster, a local independently organized TEDx event in the Winster, UK, according to Dale Lane's blog. The video from TEDx Winster's 2023 were published online on July 24, 2023. Summary. Opening idea, Dale begins by reminding us how fast AI is changing the world. He explains that AI is no longer science fiction, it's embedded in everyday life phones, apps, smart speakers, websites. This change demands a new approach in education. Why AI literacy matters. Today's children are growing up surrounded by AI, often without realizing it. If students don't learn what AI is, how it works, and what its limitations are, they will be at a disadvantage. AI literacy is as important as reading, writing, and basic computer skill. From consumers to creators, students shouldn't just use AI passively, like speaking to Alexa or Google. They should be encouraged to build projects with AI, teaching them to think critically about how AI is trained and what data it uses. Example projects training a model to recognize different animal sounds, building a chatbot that can answer questions, creating simple AI games, learning through mistakes. AI is not perfect, it makes mistakes, sometimes funny, sometimes biased, sometimes harmful. By experimenting, students see how and why AI makes errors. This teaches them to question AI results instead of blindly trusting them. Education's role. Schools need to prepare children not just for jobs that exist today, but for a future shaped by AI. Memorizing fact is less valuable now. What matters is creativity, problem solving, and adaptability. Teachers should focus on developing curiosity, resilience, and ability to learn continuously. Ethics and responsibility. Dell emphasizes that with AI power comes responsibility. Students should learn about the ethical sides, biases in data, fairness, privacy concerns, accountability. Understanding these issues is vital for building a safe AI future. Call to action. Education system must evolve to integrate AI, not treat it as a special subject for a few. Every child should get the chance to understand AI, not just those with advanced technical backgrounds. If we succeed, the next generation will be equipped to use AI wisely and creatively instead of being controlled by it. Personal reflections. Education in the age of AI. Listening to Dale Land's talk was both inspiring and thought provoking for me as an educator. His words reminded me that we are no longer preparing children for the same world we grew up in. We are preparing them for a future where artificial intelligence will be everywhere in learning, in work, and in daily life. What resonates with me? AI literacy as a basic skill. I deeply connected with the idea that understanding AI should become as essential as reading and writing. This shift education from memorizing facts to fostering curiosity, adaptability, and critical thinking. From consumer to creators. I loved how Dale encouraged children not just to use AI tools, but to create with them. As our teacher, I feel this empowers students to move from passive users to active innovators, building confidence in their own abilities, learning through mistakes. His point about letting students explore AI errors struck me strongly. Often we try to present perfect system, but mistakes are where the most powerful lessons are born. It reminded me that mistakes in both human learning and machine learning are part of growth. Ethics and responsibility. I appreciated the balance he showed between excitement and caution, teaching young minds about biases, fairness, and accountability in AI is just as important as teaching them to technology itself. My takeaways as an educator. For me, this talk was not just about AI, it was about hope. Hope that if we guide our children wisely, they will not be afraid of the future but will embrace it with knowledge, creativity, and responsibility. It strengthened my belief that education today must go beyond textbooks. It must prepare hearts and minds for a world shaped by intelligence, both human and artificial. So, it is the end of my representation or my review on the TED Talk of Dayland, Education in the Age of AI. So please like my video, share my video with the people who are concerned about this type of TED Talk. Share my this content with your children so they can learn, so they can introduce with the new idea of this age. You can comment in the comment box. You can encourage me or you can suggest me different mode or different way or your opinion in the comment box. You can subscribe my YouTube channel or you can send me friend request or follow my Facebook profile or LinkedIn profile or you can connect with me on LinkedIn so we can build together a community in which we learn many things collectively. Thank you for your encouragement, for your time. Until then, take care yourself. I will come again with new topic with new review, and I will come in my this studio, the reflection room. Allah Hafiz.